Hi there, students. To limn. Notice limb sounds like L-I-M-B, an arm or a leg as well. Okay, to limn means to portray, to draw, to depict, to describe in words, to draw the outline of. Okay, so to make a portrait of, to trace the shape of something. Okay, so to depict something by painting it or drawing it, or by describing it in words. So a good author should be able to limn a scene so that you can easily imagine it in your mind's eye. Yeah, he describes it so well that it becomes vivid and real in your mind. Okay, so to limn, to draw or to paint, yeah, or to describe in words. Now I'm going to go straight to the origin of this word, because the old meaning of to limn meant to illuminate, but not with light, to illuminate a manuscript. You know, these old Bibles and very old books, the monks would draw pictures on them and make them more beautiful using gold leaf and beautiful colours and beautiful pictures of what was happening. And that is to limn. You could even have a noun from that. The limbing of this book is very good quality. Yeah? Now if you listen or look at the word limn, you can hear the word illuminate. L-I-M-N, illuminate. It's clearly there. And the origin of the word comes through French, enluminer, which itself comes from Latin illumino, to brighten, to light up, to adorn, to make conspicuous. So to limn, to describe in words. The novel the novel limns the life of tribes in the Amazon jungle. His outline was limned by a street light. So to outline in clear detail, to delineate, yeah. His outline was limned by the setting sun, and then the artist limned a beautiful picture of some birds in flight. Okay, so that he paint on a surface. So to draw or paint, making a representation of, to outline in clear detail, yeah, by light or something like that, and then to describe so that something seems real. Yeah, there was just enough light left of the day to limn the outline of a man walking towards us. Okay, so to delineate, to outline, to make a portrait of, to describe. And I guess you could probably even use it metaphorically. His explanation limned all of the important parts of this process, although I think that's probably more unusual. So to limn, a regular verb. He limned a beautiful description. He has limned a beautiful portrait. And then formality. Let's see, this I think is a very literary word. I think if you use this in an informal conversation, most natives are not going to know what it means. Use this in something semi-formal or formal. I'd probably give it something like a 7.5 in formality. It's a good choice of word for an essay because it's an unusual word and it's an unusual choice, and it limns the great vocabulary that you have. It outlines it, yeah? It forms the contours of it. Okay, so to limn, to describe in art, in lines, in words, or to outline it so that you can actually see it. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Limning.